Hi, my name is Mhlambi and I am 23 years of age. I am the founder of Pride and Crafts and I am operating in Blukam in Duduza. Well, I started the business. Initially, I learned the crafts just for myself, just for me to have like a different statement piece. And then there was this program that I was attending, program under CMT, which it teaches young adolescent girls about HIV and AIDS and prevention. So during that program, there was an opportunity actually to write a business plan, and I did write a business plan, and I won 1,000 rand, and that's how I started. So what I do is that I create watches, beaded watches, macrame bracelets, beaded necklaces, and also key holders, and also earrings. Well, it's different. It creates unique, and also it creates moments, new moments, and also it recreates gifts. If you had like an old watch, I can bring it back, revive it if you still want to keep the memory with it. It's actually, it personalizes everything to yourself. You can write absolutely anything. So they can either text me via Facebook, Thandiwe Mhlambi, or WhatsApp me 071 833 0565, or on TikTok it's Pride Handcrafts. Hi, my name is Thandiwe and I am a Township Entrepreneur.